Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is subject verb agreement and parallelism. So let us begin. It says research during the past several decades on the nature of language and processes that produce and make it understandable has revealed great complexity instead of underlying simplicity. So there are three verbs: has, make, and produce. If you remember, if verb falls after that, subject is previous noun. Alright? So processes, produce, and make is fine. Now, has. So before has there is phrase, and that is why subject will be before first preposition. So whenever there is phrase before verb, subject is always before first preposition. During is preposition, that is why research is subject. So research has revealed great complexity instead of underlying simplicity. All right. Okay. So it is fine. B. It says processes of producing and understanding it have revealed. Research have revealed. No, research has revealed. All right. Subject verb agreement error. Now, of producing means what? It is incorrect. Instead of producing and understanding, it should be that produce and understand. All right. Now, not underlying simplicity but great complexity. So the parallelism is not x but y. After not, it is underlined. So after but, there should be some gerund or some such type of nouns. So this is called parallelism error. So there are two errors in option B. By which it is produced and understood. Okay, has revealed not underlying but complexity. So not x but y parallelism structure. After not it is underlying, and after but it is complexity, incorrect parallelism, and that is why option C out. Remember, whatever comes after not, it should be same after but, and structure is not x but y. So option C out. By which it is produced and understood have revealed. Research have revealed. Subject verb agreement error. Great complexity rather than underlying. X rather than Y. So before X it is complexity rather than underlying. Again incorrect parallelism. It should be complexity rather than simplicity. That will be the correct one. So parallelism error, option D out. By which one produces. One should not be used. Remember, whenever pronoun one is used in this sentence, it is considered incorrect. Why? Because it denotes unknown noun. So the pronoun one is incorrect. It have revealed. Again have, subject verb agreement error. Research has revealed great complexity instead of underlying simplicity. So there are two errors in option E, and that is why option A becomes best option.